In this video, I will present a moving platform system that I created. So basically, every platform is a prefab. Every path for platforms is a prefab with multiple customizable parts. Mainly, the designer can choose whether the intervals between platform spawns. They can choose the exact path by dropping down empty game objects that have gizmos, like on the camera here, right here, and platformers will just follow the entire path until they hit the last point, at which point they will, after a second, they will despawn. There's also more settings, like in the path over here. The designer can decide whether the platforms will stop and act like a mechanical platforms, or maybe they will spin like a carousel. Platforms work pretty standard, they are pretty standard platforms. If your player jumps on top of them, he will get planted to them and carried off by them. Player can jump off of them at any point.